feet. Fang's hard left.
That's it. Let's go!
No, I want to see Fat Albert.
Oh, that is fat.
Do you want my sunglasses, Holly?
No, I see. I want to get to for a while.
No, I want to continue playing that game we were playing.
That guy's departing. That guy's not staying. There we go, aerobatic.
Okay,
That guy's leaving.
Okay.
I saw Fat Albert.
There he is.
Oh, wow.
It's a pit special. Wow. Damn trees.